Right, so this is the brake that is grinding. As you can see, lots of rust. The disc is toast. Yeah, we've got new discs and pads to go in that, so that's not a problem. I'm going to spray some iron contamination remover, and we'll see. It'll look like a bloodbath in a minute. So this stuff absolutely stinks. It smells just like sewage for some reason. But hopefully it will loosen off some of that iron which is all over everything. Need to get the locking wheel nuts off. I should be having a key. Found somebody on sort of eBay yesterday who would make a key to not to order, but you take a photo of it and he finds out what type of key you should have, really. Just going to spray all these wheels quickly.